All right, folks, in today's episode, we're going to be kicking off the first tasting of the BrewTubers 2025 Malt Experiment. Stay tuned.
This is the 2025 BrewTubers Online Brewers Club Malt Experiment, Amber Ale. Thanks to our sponsors. 5 Star Chemicals. Check out their new online straight-to-consumer homebrew shop where you can buy everything from Star San and Line Cleaner to the new liquid PBW that can be used at temperatures as low as 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Check out their online store at 5starchemicals.com/home-brewing. Beer and Wine Hobby Homebrew Supply Store. A local homebrew shop in Danvers, Massachusetts. Order any malt they offer in any quantity you want, and if you order before 11 a.m., they'll package your items and ship out the very same day. Visit the store at www.beer-wine.com. Let's get tasting.
All right, folks, it's an exciting day. We're tasting. We're starting the tasting spree for the BrewTubers Online Homebrew Club Malt Experiment. This is the 2025 experiment. There's like 10 or 12 of us in it this year. Awesome. You've already seen my brew day, I'm sure. If not, go check it out. But today, we're not starting with my beer. We're going to start off by turning off this CIP action that I got going because I forgot, and hopefully the mic wasn't picking that up too much because I'm not re-recording it. But today, we're going to start off with one of the best brewers in the club, Kurt. You know him, you love him, but we're starting with his because, as the name of his beer implies, he went with Sinamar, okay? And I've used that before in the past just to kick up color because I always heard that it doesn't add anything but color. And honestly, that's been my experience with it. So, we're going to start with this one because I kind of want a baseline for this experiment, the malt experiment. We each brewed this base beer, which is an amber ale. And I think that Kurt and Exit 12 Nick came up with this recipe, so I already know it's good. So we're starting here with Kurt's sort of a baseline amber ale. I'll throw the recipe up on the screen. You can pause it if you want to check that out. But yeah, let's taste it. Let's see what this baseline's all about. All right, folks, just look at that rocky tan head on there. What a beaut. And then that amber, dark, rich amber color. Oof. She looks like a beaut. Let's give it a sniff. Yeah, so I'm getting malty, grain, cracker, a little bit of like stone fruit in the background, but mostly malty. Oh, just looks so delish. It's nicely carbonated, even though I did a very aggressive down the center pour. But, so, looks good, smells good. Let's see how she tastes, the baseline. Oh, that's delicious. Smooth. Crisp. Just, I mean, it's so cliche to say, but it's balanced beautifully. And with that aggressive pour, I got most of the carbonation out, so it's just even smoother, crushable. What did he come in at? 4.9%, 32 IBU. Good job, Kurt. So let's talk about the flavor. I already talked about the mouthfeel, but it's nice and malty, and it has same as the aroma, bready, malty, little cracker. And then maybe at the end, there's like this little bit of bitterness that balances it out. The bitterness is just a clean, I don't remember what hops we used, but it's a clean, just kind of lightly grapefruity, piney bitterness, which is nice. Yeah, so we bittered it with Magnum, and then we hit it with Willamette at 30 minutes and Cascade at 10. So there you go. Nice. Now I've got a nice baseline to see what all the other people went with their malts. Yeah, so this is a great beer. Good job, Kurt. First tasting down. Baseline in the books, in the brain. If I could remember things, that would help, but I have it on video now, so I'm gonna finish this beer and enjoy it. So remember, check out BrewTubers, get in on the fun, do some home brewing. It's awesome. Support your local homebrew shop, support your local brew pub, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Oh yeah, I forgot we're supposed to rank them. So, if I tally up the scores, Kurt is in first place right now. Good job, Kurt. I'm proud of you, buddy.